Good morning, ma'am, sir. I am Jundilo Padero, 29 years old. I live in Luburan City of Naga, Cebu, Philippines. I have 3 kids, one daughter, 11 years old, 2 sons, 9 years old, and 3 years old. And I am the youngest of our siblings, and I have live-in partner, but we are not yet married. And my past experience is here in Cebu City, Lahog. We are 2 helpers, 3 members in the house. Both of my employers, mom, madam, sir, are working, and the baby is still school. So we are 2 helpers in the house. We do teamwork. So we prepare food, meals every day. Preparing food every day. Do a household chores like cleaning, ironing, car washing, washing clothes. And my main duties there is I am taking care of the 2 pits dog, and I am a gardener. And I have that's my 2 years experience here in Philippines as a helper. And my second job is I have also experience in Hong Kong. I am we are 2 helpers also. Two elder, 90 years old. My employer, she's 90 years old, and her husband is a bedridden, 92 years old. And we do a teamwork like cooking, household chores like cleaning, car washing, cleaning, washing clothes. And my main duties there is taking care of the pets. They have 2 cats, 1 dog, and they are small garden. So I am the one who taking care also the garden. And the one helper is taking care her husband as a caregiver. And my employer didn't like Kunyang. She always fighting us. And me, she's always shouting. And it's okay because I understand. And mom, sir, if you hire me as a helper to be part of your family, it's a big help for me. And I am so thankful because I am the part of your family, and I will taking care of your family as my own family. And I'm excited to be part of your family soon. See you in Hong Kong.